In the business report, the ThropX Investment Conference returns for its 2026 staging at Travelers Beach Resort, running May 24 to May 30. The week-long event has drawn local and international investors, members of the Jamaican diaspora, policymakers, and industry professionals for what organizers describe as a hands-on look at doing business and investing in Jamaica. Now in its fifth staging, ThropX has evolved from a networking meetup to a full-scale investment platform built around real estate, banking, tourism, and entrepreneurship. Over 140 prospective investors have done over 3 million deals in the 2025 staging of the ThropX. And this year, the organizers expect to expand the connection with the diaspora audience and property sales in this 2026 staging. Liberty Business, formerly known as Cable and Wireless, is seeking to accelerate digital transformation across Jamaica's private sector. Vice President of Flow, Stephen Price, who has responsibility for the Liberty Business brand in Jamaica, says the country is edging closer to the rollout of 5G technology. Speaking from the White Witch Conference Center in Rose Hall, Montego Bay, he stated, quote, "You may have felt some challenges on the mobile network over the past couple weeks. We are in the middle of not only investing in upgrades, we are investing in the next generation technology," end quote. For Jamaicans, the shift is expected to be more than just an upgrade in mobile speed. Time now for our credit tip with Denise Williams.
For our credit report tip of the day, building a strong credit profile as a dual citizen comes with a unique advantage. You have access to more than one financial system. But that advantage only works if you approach credit strategically, not casually. The first reality to understand is that credit does not automatically transfer across borders. Your credit history in one country, whether the US, Canada, the UK, or Jamaica, typically does not follow you. That means when you enter a second system, you are often starting from zero. This is where many dual citizens get stuck, expecting their financial reputation to carry over. It doesn't. Each country builds its own track record based on local activity. The smart move is to establish credit actively early in both systems. That can mean opening a basic bank account, applying for a secured credit card, or using a small credit line and keeping usage disciplined. The goal is not debt, it's consistency. Lenders want to see a pattern: on-time payments, low utilization, and long-standing accounts. Even small limits managed well build momentum over time. In our funded and focused feature, one of the biggest myths about building wealth is that you have to do it all alone. Many people have solid business ideas, investment goals, or plans to acquire property and other income-producing assets. The challenge is usually the same: access to capital. Too often, opportunities are delayed while people wait until they can finance everything on their own. But there is another way. Pooling resources with other investors has long been used to acquire assets, build portfolios, and create wealth faster. From real estate deals to business acquisitions and investment projects, shared ownership can make opportunities possible that may be out of reach individually. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.